Many people struggle with getting Disney Plus on their Samsung TVs, but it can feel so frustrating. Maybe you've even tried a few things, but it's still not working. So don't worry, I got you covered. So let's go through some of the easy steps to get your streaming in no time. So first, check if your Samsung TV has the Disney Plus app in the Smart Hub. Just press the home button on your remote and search for it. If it's there, download it, sign in, and you're good to go. Next, if the app isn't in the Smart Hub, try installing it from the Samsung App Store. Just go to the Apps section, search Disney Plus, and install it. Third, make sure that your TV's software is up to date. Sometimes an update is all it takes to get the app working properly. Fourth, if your TV doesn't support the app, try casting Disney Plus from your phone or your tablet using Google Cast. Lastly, you can always connect your laptop to the TV with a HDMI cable for a quick fix. Now, go ahead, start watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.